Hey, I'm playing Nyan Cat now. Yay.
You playing it again?
And this time I'm recording. Ah.
You're recording?
Yes, with my phone.
Yeah, for YouTube.
Better not mess it up for me.
Sudden guest appearance of Omega.
And some random guy. Yay, I'm in a library.
I died.
I'm being... Oh, I just ate a pig. Wow.
I died.
No.
And then got foot raped.
No. Stupid. That was a bit mean. That guy just came up to you and whatever. And now I just ate a pig. Yay! Oh no. Nope, that one was too big. I couldn't eat it. That's not fair.
You may want to be quiet. Why?
I'm literally recording.
Ah,
I got bigger. What?
Nom 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 nom.
No. Die. No.
You've been eaten.
Tell him not. High school. Gummy.